With every single unit crown procedure, your success depends on workflow efficiency and restoration longevity. Dentsply Sirona's single unit crown workflow solutions are designed to address both, allowing you to do your best work. This procedure, performed by Dr. Sully, uses the final impression solution to capture critical details quickly and reliably so the lab can fabricate a restoration with ideal fit and function. 1 out of 3 dentists have problems with crown fit due to impression errors. When collaborating with a dental laboratory, the quality of the final impression can make the difference between long-term success versus inefficient retakes, excess trimming, and adjusting of the final crown. A high-quality final impression begins with proper tissue management. Lasting hemostasis is achieved through a combination of chemistry, delivery, and technique. Hemoband gel solution is generously applied into the sulcus, and then a dry cord is placed through the gel. Hemoband gel is a 25% aluminum chloride solution that stops bleeding through an astringent effect. When applied using this innovative technique, it helps minimize the risk of secondary bleeding upon cord removal, saving time and difficulties now and throughout the procedure. And Hemoband gel solution rinses off easily with no residue. Because there's no coagulated blood, the cord comes out without re-traumatizing the gingiva. Now that the tooth preparation is completed and the tissue properly managed, it's time to take the final impression. For the conventional impression workflow, Aquacil Ultra Plus VPS material is dispensed around the prepared tooth, beginning interproximally and continuing up the axial walls onto the occlusal surface. Aquacil Ultra Plus material provides industry-leading intraoral tear strength and hydrophilicity for reliable results in even the most challenging circumstances. The prepared tray is carefully seated and stabilized. Upon removal, the final impression is checked to make sure all details are recorded with no voids, tears, or bubbles. The impression is sent to the lab for fabrication of the final crown. Alternatively, the clinician can follow a digital workflow with a lab-created restoration. The clinician ensures the preparation margins are thoroughly scanned and have no artifacts. With proper tissue management, the optical scan is easy and accurate. The entire quadrant, antagonist area, and the buccal scan are captured and checked. Dentsply Sirona's PrimeScan digital scanner provides a fast, precise way to capture a digital impression that can be sent directly to the lab. With powder-free scanning, easy handling, and precise 3D imaging in natural color, our scanner is an ideal tool for dentists who want to partner with their lab in an all-digital final impression workflow. Whether using a conventional or digital workflow, the final impression workflow solution helps ensure proper fit and function of the final crown. For more information about all of the single-unit crown workflow solutions from Dentsply Sirona and to request a demo, visit dentsplySirona.com.